Alright, so today what I've done here is I've gone into the skate park lab already. Here, we'll click to open it. You open your slide deck, and we're going to do a simulation online of a skater. So go ahead and open that up. Just copy her in. Hit this HTML5 prototype. Seems to be easier for people, so to access, and then here he is, and you can pick your person that you're running with, and so on and so forth. And so choose your skater that you want, and then click on bar graph. It'll track your potential and kinetic energy, and you can slow them down if you want. So go ahead and run them a few times, and then answer these questions based on what you see in the simulation. And then there's instructions here for the second part of the simulation, and that asks you to change the track of the skater. So go ahead and follow those, and then click on the bar graph again, and answer the questions on how the law of conservation of energy changes how your skater moves from left to right. So that's it. Shouldn't take you too terribly long today, and I hope you enjoy your short week and have a fantastic break.